Hello guys, this is Harry again. So let's continue our part 2 of shopping, panic buying at Walmart. Wow, look at these oranges. I love oranges. I might as well make an orange juice tonight with this mandarins. Wow. Alright. Chalo, let's go take a look. Uh, I'm trying to go see some veggies. Yep. Let's get some kombucha. Okay. This is my favorite one. Ginger age. The gentleman, I think, mistook his cart and pushed mine. It's fine. It usually happens. All the carts, they look alike. Sometimes it has happened to me. I would be like, buying or picking something from the other shelf, and yeah, I would like forget which cart was mine, and I would like pick somebody else's. It happened to me once. It was awkward, but yeah, it is a common mistake. Anyways, let's see. Oh well, it is fully stocked. I was thinking, as you know, usually in these scenarios, it's like the opposite. Alright, I'm looking for like the big chicken thighs. Oh my god, I think it's all sold out. I usually go for these thighs. So you might want to just check the date on this. And okay, probably I get one breast. Oh, this is thighs. There's a date. Oh my god, it's like so red.